Welcome to the An English Coffee Office. Today is Wednesday, October 15, and like every morning, David and Alex are at the coffee machine.
Hi, Alex. Good morning. How are you today?
Hi, David. Good morning. I am fine. Just need my coffee to wake up.
Me too. I had a long night. Sales calls until late. What about you?
Projects keep me busy. Deadlines everywhere. Black coffee for me.
Same here. No sugar today. It helps me think clear.
Yes, coffee is our best friend in the office. So any news you saw?
Oh, yeah. Lots of stuff. I check my phone every morning.
Me too. What caught your eye this week?
Something big on politics. From CNN about President Trump.
Trump again? What did he do now?
He talks about the Insurrection Act. Wants to use it for immigration.
The Insurrection Act? That sounds strong. What does it mean?
It lets him send federal agents, like ICE to cities, to check immigration rules.
Oh, local mayors say no, they do not want that?
Right. They call it overreach, controversy everywhere.
Why now? Is there a big problem?
He says to stop illegal entries, make borders safe.
But cities worry about rights. It affects communities.
As a sales rep, I see clients from many places. Immigration changes hit business.
True. In my projects, we have teams from different countries. It makes work harder.
Imagine if agents come here. Our office has diverse people.
We do. It could slow things down. More checks, less focus.
Yeah, I sell to international firms. They might pull back.
Good point. Politics touches our daily jobs. Anyway, shift to tech news. Wall Street Journal had something.
Tech? I love that. Our sales use tech all day.
China puts new curbs on rare earth exports. Starting soon.
Rare earth, what is that? Sounds like dirt.
No, they are minerals. Key for electronics.
Like in phones, computers, batteries?
Yes, used in magnets, screens, chips. Everything modern. China controls most. Now they need licenses for exports.
Licenses, so harder to buy?
Exactly, especially to US, for military or tech uses.
Oh man, our company buys parts. Prices will jump.
Supply chains break. We import a lot from there.
As sales guy, clients ask about delays. I hate that.
In projects, I plan timelines. This adds risks.
What if no rare earth, no new gadgets?
Factories stop, jobs affected, big economic hit.
It feels like a trade war, back and forth.
Yes, it's US tariffs, China responds. Cycle continues.
In office, our computers use those. Imagine breakdowns.
We rely on tech, need backups now. Hey, lighter topic. Culture news from New York Times.
Culture, movies, music? Tell me.
Hollywood and AI. They use AI for actors in films.
AI actors? Like robots on screen?
Sort of deepfakes. Make old stars look young again, or create new ones. No real person needed.
Cool but weird. What is the problem?
Unions angry. It takes acting jobs.
Oh, actors out of work? That is tough.
Ethical issues too. Who owns the image? Consent? Studios save money, but creators lose.
In sales, we use AI for emails. Helps but not replace me.
Right, in projects, AI tools plan. But human touch matters.
Imagine AI doing meetings, boring voice.
No emotion. Films need real feelings. Society debates art versus tech.
People protest in LA, want protections.
Yes, laws might change, balance innovation and jobs.
Like in office, we adapt to new tools.
True. Learn AI but keep skills sharp.
Good talk. News makes me think.
Me too. World changes fast.
But coffee time ends, back to desk.
Yes, meeting in 10 minutes.
Sales call for me, busy morning.
See you later. Have a productive day.
You too, stay energized.
Time to get to work. Don't forget to subscribe and practice your English every day. You'll see how it just keeps getting better and better. See you tomorrow. Hope you have a fantastic day.